Let's talk about our forecast because things are really heating up here in Southern California. Let's just get right to our weather headlines because temperatures are going to heat up this afternoon. In fact, it's going to be the hottest day of the next 7. We're talking about that influx of moisture coming in from Tropical Storm Mario, and this is going to create the possibility of some isolated thunderstorms and showers over the mountains this afternoon with a better chance for widespread activity as we head into the second half of the week. So this is what we are looking at, and this is why I've issued that next weather alert starting tomorrow for all areas. This is going to last with us through the end of the week. So just be prepared. Just know that things are going to start to slowly change and it's going to start to feel hot and also really muggy as we head into the next few days. All right, so here is a look at Tropical Storm Mario right now, where it's located, still spinning to the southwest of Baja California. And then you can see as it continues to move a little bit more to the north into the Pacific Ocean, a lot of that monsoonal moisture will continue to filter into our region. And that is why we're going to start to feel that increased humidity over the course of the next few days. We're already starting to feel a little bit of that humidity, so that's why this afternoon there is a chance that we could actually see a little bit more of the isolated thunderstorms and showers picking up. Here is a look at our marine layer because the marine layer will actually become a little bit more shallow over the course of the next few days. Look at this. It's not quite as extensive as yesterday where we had it in the valleys. It's actually hanging around near a lot of our coastal communities and then a lot of the communities adjacent to the beaches. So you can see this morning we're waking up to some clouds in Santa Monica and also in Manhattan Beach and also in the Long Beach area, but we're actually staying pretty clear in areas like downtown LA, and then also the Cypress and Anaheim area. We're not really seeing too much of the clouds as well. And then we're looking at the clouds hanging around near Huntington Beach. Some of it has moved inland to the Santa Ana area. And then we're also looking at clouds, of course, right along the coast for San Clemente as well. But the Inland Empire also under cloud-free skies, just like yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quickly what's happening because we do have a future cast to show you with the it's not popping up right now, but oh, there you go. The computer was taking a little bit of a snooze this morning, but I want to show you what happens as we play out our future rains. So by the time we head into tomorrow morning, now this looks like there's going to be a lot of rain coming in, and it's because of that tropical moisture. It is coming in from Mexico, coming in from the south, moving a little bit more north here to our area. So most of it will stay to the south of us in the San Diego area, but by tomorrow morning, we could start to see the scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, and that's why I've issued that next weather alert. You can see it's coming in from San Diego, going up toward areas like Anaheim, and then we're going to start to see it over the mountains of San Bernardino mountains into the Inland Empire, and then some of it drifting into some of the valleys. So a lot of it is coming in from the south, but then by the afternoon, we start to see a little bit more. So this is not exact. Obviously, this is our forecast model, but it gives you an idea that just about anywhere tomorrow, we're going to start to see some isolated thunderstorms and showers, but the better chance will be as we head into Thursday. But you can see how it's coming in from San Diego, moving north toward areas like the Inland Empire, into the Anaheim area, and then we could start to see a little bit more of that activity over the mountains tomorrow for LA and Ventura County by the afternoon. So that kind of gives you an idea of what we're forecasting and what we're actually looking out for as we head into the next few days. All right, so here's a look at what happens today. Temperature-wise, definitely hotter than yesterday. We're looking at those 80s along the coast. We have those 90s and also triple digits once you head inland. So it's going to be hot. That's why I've issued that next weather alert for the second half of the week. 91 today for LA and Orange County. Even though it looks like it's cooling down, remember, it's going to be hotter than what the thermometer is reading because of that increased humidity. So we're talking about a warm and muggy air mass that's going to sit right over the region through the end of the week. 102 today for the valleys, 100 by tomorrow. Back to you.